As Delhi's election turned way too poisonous, Anmol Panwar is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep Mahor, leader of the BJP, with us as well. Thank you both very much for joining us. This is going to be a quick chat. Anmol Panwar, I'm coming to you first. The charge is very specific. The charge is not that Haryana is not giving us enough water. The charge is that the BJP in Haryana is deliberately mixing ammonia/poison in the Yamuna and sending it to Delhi to orchestrate what Arvind Kejriwal says will be mass murder. इतनी बड़ी बात बोल दी अनमोल पनवर जी. Where is the proof?
Good evening, Sneha ji. I mean, this is very unfortunate that the Bharatiya Janata Party has too low. I mean, facing their defeat for the 4th time in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. That is why they are mixing poison in the water. And you are asking for the proof. We have been very specific this time. Our the Honorable Chief Minister has very clearly said that they have contaminated DD8 drain near the Pyau Manihari location for the past 10 days. And that is the reason why there has been alarming increase in the ammonia levels. And that's why even the water treatment plants, the STPs are not being able to function, affecting the water supply to 34 lakh people living in Delhi. तो इतनी घटिया, इतनी गंदी हरकत पे आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी उतर आई है. It is for the BJP to explain. That is why we have also approached the Election Commission with a proof that they must intervene and ensure a free and fair election in Delhi. We have seen this in last elections also. जब इन्हें लगता है कि ये बुरी तरह हार रहे हैं, then they resort to these cheap tactics and dirty politics.
नहीं. Again, I asked you, you're saying we have approached the Election Commission with proof. आप बताइए ना proof कहाँ है? Sound bite दे दिया आतिशी ने, sound bite दे दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल ने, ये mass murder का मिसाइल भी छोड़ दिया. Where is the proof? Show the people of Delhi proof now that Haryana BJP's unit is actually carrying ammonia and mixing it in the water that comes to Delhi. बताइए तो, नहीं तो otherwise we'll think it's just shoot and scoot politics.
Neha ji, we know that Delhi depends on the neighboring states for the water supply being in semi-arid zone. And it is the Haryana government which releases some amount of water, although we have increased the capacity in Delhi. But the treatment plants, the water treatment plants can't function when there's a rise in ammonia level. And there's a very alarming rise in ammonia levels this time. That is why even we must in fact appreciate the engineers who have stopped, who have made timely intervention and stopped this water from entering Delhi. Otherwise, it could have led to mass murder in Delhi. ये इतने बेरहम है भारतीय जनता पार्टी वाले कि इन्हें चुनाव के अलावा कुछ नहीं दिखता. They are not concerned about the lives of people of Delhi. I mean, it is for the election. हम तो challenge कर रहे हैं. We have challenged. In fact, even the minister from Haryana government, he has said कि भाई टीम भेज दीजिए. भेजनी है ना टीम. आप देखिए, सच्चाई दिखाइए पूरे देश को.
चलिए ठीक है, but you have still not answered my question about what the proof is. Because when you go to the Election Commission, you will have to show them proof. Now, the water can have high levels of ammonia for different reasons.
We have specifically...
But the charge specifically, Pradeep Mahor...
No, but why?
No, Pradeep Mahor, the charge specifically is that
just 10 days
ammonia is being mixed in Yamuna's water that is being sent to Delhi.
First of all, congratulations to everybody that at least Arvind Kejriwal has accepted. Be quiet, please. At least Arvind Kejriwal has accepted that he is not able to supply proper water to Delhi. We were saying this. Even you were saying this. They were not accepting it. Today they have accepted. Ultimately, these are the kind of people, they are going to blame somebody. And who else? They are going to blame to BJP. I am telling you, earlier, when they were not ruling Punjab, that time, they used to blame everything on Punjab. All pollution was coming from Punjab. Now, they have a government in Punjab. You can't blame Punjab. You talk to them about Punjab, they will just run away. So this is their politics. This is their way of dealing with the things. They have to blame it on somebody. Today, you are asking about a proof. Did he answer? No. Will Arvind Kejriwal answer? All media people go to him and ask him about the proof. He will say that because I am saying That is why it is there. I do not have any proof. Tomorrow, again, I will not have any proof. I will not be able to give any kind of a documentation, any kind of a proof. Still, I will keep on saying, this is what Arvind Kejriwal is. And we have to accept it. This is the kind of person that Delhi people have elected for Delhi, kind of a joker they have elected for Delhi who doesn't have any responsibility. He's blaming on each and every, whatever happens in Delhi. He has to blame it on somebody. So this is what he's doing. So you appoint a Tamashbi, you appoint a joker, and he'll act like a joker only. Na? You can't expect him to be a serious person.
Okay. You shouldn't, I don't think you should be calling opposition leaders on this channel jokers, because then this becomes a war of words, and unnecessarily the debate gets sidetracked. Anmol Panwar, we'll just leave that to the side. We'll just leave that to the side, because those are not the kind of headlines we want. But Anmol Panwar, even the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, sun lijiye bhai, sun lijiye. Even no, but you can't call people jokers and get away with it on this channel, because if it comes to name calling, then everyone can call each other names, and that is all we'll do in 20 minutes. Anmol Panwar, but even the Aam Aadmi Party has to make up its mind about why the Yamuna is polluted. Today, when Arvind Kejriwal held a press conference releasing his 15 guarantees, what did he say? He says, oh, I'm sorry, the Yamuna is polluted, but it's polluted because, pehle COVID aa gaya, uske baad mujhe jail mein dal diya, mujhe kaam nahi karne diya gaya. After a couple of hours, you wake up and you say that Punjab, the BJP in Haryana is mixing poison in Yamuna's water. You also have to make up your mind about why the Yamuna is polluted. You will not talk about the fact that untreated sewage is going into the Yamuna. You will not talk about the fact that people are washing their clothes and detergent and pollutants from there are going into the Yamuna.
Sneha ji, Arvind Kejriwal very honestly admitted that despite working tirelessly for the people of Delhi and fulfilling more than 90% of the promises which he made to the people of Delhi, 3 promises still remain unfulfilled, for which he has sought another 5 years. First is cleaning of Yamuna. Second is providing tap water, clean water from the tap to every household in Delhi. And third is about making the roads of European standards. But as you have seen on the show, that the Bharatiya Janata Party, who has no vision, no mission, no CM face, they only resort to abusing. Kis tarah se ye Arvind Kejriwal ji ko gali de rahe the? I mean, we are used to such kind of abuses because we know that Bharatiya Janata Party can never deliver. They have no governance model, that they can only abuse us, they can only criticize us. Jitni gali deni hai, aap gali do. जनता जवाब देगी 5 तारीख को आपका. Their only sankalp for the people of Delhi is this, where S stands for stopping welfare schemes, as they have admitted in their manifesto, to stop free education and free mohalla clinic. A stands for abusing Purvanchalis and Punjabis, the way their spokesperson on live television abused the Purvanchalis, and they are the ones who labeled Punjabis as terrorists. N stands for no narrative, no agenda, no CM face. K stands for killing democracy, where their own leader was seen distributing money, distributing shoes and distributing gold chains. A stands for abusing Arvind Kejriwal 24/7, 365 days. That is what they have done in last 10 years. L stands for Lachar Kanun Vyavastha, which we are witnessing in the Delhi, the way the law and order has crumbled in the past 10 years, and their manifesto don't even utter a word about the crumbling law and order situation in Delhi. And P is protecting Rohingyas, the way they are nurturing the Rohingyas as their children in Delhi. And this is what Arvind Kejriwal ji has done and has promised to the people of Delhi. We have promised free pilgrimage to
Mr. Panwar, but does the K in Mr. Kejriwal stands for कुछ भी?
Scholarship to the students of Delhi.
ठीक है, देखिए ये मैनिफेस्टो मत पढ़िए यहाँ, सब वो मैनिफेस्टो हमने पढ़ लिया, उसके ग्राफिक बन गए हैं. My point is, does the K in Arvind Kejriwal stands for kuch bhi? That he will come and say kuch bhi, not present any proof and get away with it. Pradeep Mahar, do you want to say anything? I have 20 seconds for you if you want to respond to Mr. Panwar.
Look, I have seen a complete list of... Wait, Mr. Panwar, you have your time. You have narrated your
factories.
Mr. Panwar, wait for a moment. Right. So, you got your time. So, we saw the complete list, and the complete list shows that Arvind Kejriwal is unable to do anything. He has excuses for each and everything. These were the 3 agendas that he named. These were the 3 main agendas, and he himself said that he is not able to fulfill them. and ultimately the responsibility is BJP. Tomorrow, if you even elect him, still the responsibility is going to be BJP. That is why the people of Delhi are not going to elect him as a chief minister again. They are completely, done with him. His time is over. So it's just like the last few minutes of
Chalo, we'll see. We don't know whose time is over, but we'll see. Mr. Panwar and Mr. Mahar, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll see whose time is done and dusted.